Hey guys, so to begin this tutorial I'm going to be doing my eyebrows using the Glitz and Glam 3-in-1 enhancer in dark brown. It's a Nigerian brand that got sent to me for review a while back, and this is like my second time trying it out. What I like about it is that it has like two ends. One end is a brow set and the other end is the brow pencil itself. So I just use that to fill in my brows. And guys, I have to say that I'm actually impressed by Nigerian brands that I have been getting lately. You know, like a lot of them are stepping their game and they actually can compete with a lot of international brands. Let me just stop right there because I need to get back with the voiceover for the tutorial. So I just prime my eyes using my NARS liquid concealer, and I set it with some white powder, or rather a very light powder from my Image Cosmetics powder palette, which is also a Nigerian brand. Then the eyeshadow palette I'm using is also from Glitz and Glam. That's their Festival Queen palette, and the colors are so pigmented. Like, I was actually surprised. I was very impressed because I find that the colors, like the texture of the eyeshadow, the color payoff, the blendability, everything I liked, and I was definitely impressed. This is definitely one of my favorite palettes ever. So I'm just blending in like different colors. Like I did like a transition from a yellow to a green to like a mint blue, and then I'm going to be cutting my crease halfway, which you guys saw. I just did that with my LA Girl Pro Conceal, and now I'm using another shade of green because I'm doing like different shades of green in this eye makeup from the same palette. I use that one palette all through today, and then I'm contouring the outer corners of my eye with the black shadow from the same palette, and then blending it out more to like take away any harsh lines. You can see that I'm going back and forth with different blending brushes to ensure that the colors blend very well. Now I'm taking a white eyeliner that I just got from, which is called the Just Go Deep Liner, and I'm using that to just give like a sharper cut crease effect, like a double cut crease effect up there. And then I'm trying to clean up using the eyeshadow to make sure the white liner does not go beyond where it's supposed to go. And guys, I have to say that this is my first time doing something like this with a white liner, and my hand wasn't as steady as I would have wanted it to be. So just in case you notice, yeah, you guys, excuse me that. So now I'm just popping on my lashes because the eye makeup is actually done, and then I'm doing lining my eyes using my Maverick Extremely Soft Eyeliner Pencil, which is like the best eyeliner pencil ever that I've used. So now for face, you guys see that I just did my second eye makeup. Now for my face, I'm using my Zico Cosmetics Matte Face Primer. This is also a Nigerian brand. Like, I'm basically using mostly Nigerian brands today. So I'm just blending that in, and this primer is actually not drying. It still leaves your skin feeling, quite subtle, quite supple. I think that's the word. So now I'm going in with my Zico Cosmetics foundation in 030 bronze, and using my buffing brush to just apply that all over my face, and blending into my jawline and my neck. Then for my concealer, I'm using the NARS concealer once again, and you can see that this concealer is several shades lighter than me. So usually I try not to apply too much, but I actually had a problem when I was shooting this video because the light supply was interrupted. I had to go put on the gen. So before I could do that and come back, the concealer was dry. So to blend it out, I have to apply some more to give it like a creamy, like to make it a bit creamier. And in the process of doing all that and struggling with blending it out, I actually used way too much concealer, as you guys probably already are guessing right now. Like, that was a lot of concealer. So to set my concealer, my highlight, I used some powder from my Image Cosmetics palette. Then to contour my face, I'm going into my Maybelline Cacao. If you guys already know me, you guys know I always use contour, and you guys know, like, I'm just dancing. If you're new to this channel, you probably will be surprised, like, what's wrong with her? That's just how I do, guys. I love music, so I mostly listen to music. And if you want to know how serious this is, you should probably check my Instagram. Then you know where all the music comes from and why I listen to music a lot. So now it's time for blush. I'm just going into my Liss Remix blush. I think it's also a Nigerian brand. Hey, I'm being patriotic today. And now for my bronzer, my highlighter, I'm going into my Blossom Makeup bronzer and just bronzing up my face. And then we're taking it an extra, like making it like an extra notch by bronzing up my collarbone, my shoulders. Woo. I'm feeling fly, really feeling myself there. Hey. You guys don't mind me. I'll just because my top is like a cold shoulder top, so Like the body has got to glow. So now for my lipstick, I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip stain and then Milai pencil to just line my lips, giving like this kind of ombre effect. And this is the finished look. I sprayed my face using my Ever Beauty Master Fix setting spray, and I think I kind of like walked around the harsh highlights of my face, and like I really toned it down. That was a lot of work and blending, but I think it's not bad at the end of the day. What do you guys think? I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. That's just me feeling myself and giving you guys some hot Naija dance steps. Please feel free to dance with me if you are feeling it right now. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Be sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you're new, do not leave without subscribing, darlings. And I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye. Love you. Mwah. Oh, so fabulous.